Welcome back, Rob from Stihl Gardens here. Little quick vid on showing you how to change over these strimmer heads. The Stihl AutoCut C26-2. It's a bit of a mouthful. Very simple. Get your trimmer head. There'll be a hole on the top. You might need to get a wire brush to clear the debris off so you can find it. You should have a little Stihl tool that came with it, just a little rod, metal rod. If you haven't got one of those, just get a screwdriver that fits down the hole. Don't try and use your best screwdriver because you might snap the end off. But so yeah, what you want to do is you want to insert that down into the hole and just give this a spin, and you'll feel it lock in and locate. That will drop down. And to get these off, this is a left-handed thread, so you go clockwise and that will undo it. Very quick and easy. Again, clean this up if you need to. Take this off and clean out all the debris in there if there's any rubbish in there. So you just get your new one, spin it on, and remember it's left-hand thread, so you need to go anti-clockwise to spin it on. Just keep spinning. That should hopefully still be in place to lock it in. Just tighten it up as tight as you can go by hand. Take your little thing out. Job done. Smash the like button if that's helped. Cheers.